Now let's take a look outside. Our Storm Cam 9 camera there from CHI Memorial. You can see traffic moving there, but David, what you can't see is that heat out there.
Oh, yeah. You usually see the squiggly lines coming off the pavement there with the heat on the camera, and that's the case right now. And we're going to cover the heat. We're going to cover the chance of scattered storms coming up, but we're first going to start with Ernesto because this storm is gradually gaining strength. It's the same winds of 85 and is setting its sights on Bermuda between now and the start of the weekend. In fact, for Bermuda, it's going to be a prolonged period of time of both wind and rain leading up to the storm passing by, either direct hit or passing by just to the west along that path sometime late Friday into early Saturday. Beyond that time, it'll only slowly lose its strength and still be potentially at hurricane strength as it passes by the Canadian Maritimes late into the weekend. So again, not a direct impact to the U.S. East Coast. However, large swells and some rough surf being caused by the storm passing by just offshore to the east. For us, we're dealing with the heat right now, and for the first time all week, you felt the humidity coming back. Temperatures right now for many, 90 or higher, but then you factor the humidity, which is really taking a jump today with a southerly wind, and it feels like the mid to upper 90s. I think tomorrow, before any storms arrive, we could reach as high as 100 for that heat index. We have seen some spotty showers out there. Most of those have faded out to the south. And again, I'll keep it there, a small chance for this evening. But the better chance of showers and storms arrives in a couple of stages tomorrow. And it's all developing from our next weather maker back to the north and west, a series of fronts coming in from the plain states. It'll first provide us with the scattered storms tomorrow and again Saturday, but then provide us with some drier air and cooler mornings to start next week, which you'll see in the 7-day forecast. But the first hurdle we got to get over is that chance that a few storms could be strong to severe and run that level 1 risk. Overall, that means that a few storms may provide some strong wind gusts, of course, heavy downpours of rain, and of course, the lightning threat. The other factors, tornadoes, large hail, that remains on the low end of the scale. As always, we will keep an eye on that. Now, here's potential timing. We go overnight by first thing in the morning. Not a whole lot going on. It's going to be rather humid to start the day, temperatures in the 70s. But a potential first round could arrive late morning to about midday. If that timing remains in place, then for lunchtime through about early afternoon, it could impact school pickup time. There could be some scattered storms rolling on by. These could provide some strong wind gusts and heavy downpours, especially considering how much heating will be going on in advance of that line. Well, that line will pass on by. Another potential line early to mid-evening. This could be impactful for high school football games going on tomorrow night, especially across North Georgia. Those will fade out about midnight and then quiet the rest of the night. Saturday, similar situation. It starts muggy, but a few scattered storms could come back into the afternoon hours, right into the heating of the day as the main front eases on by, then lower shower chances as we approach Sunday. So the highest odds are the next 2 days. So we are alert tomorrow because of that potential round of storms. And of course, we got a few outdoor events going on tomorrow evening. Highs, low 90s, heat index close to 100 before storms arrive. That first round early to mid-afternoon, another round early to mid-evening. Same chances for Saturday. But on Sunday, chances drop off. And look at next week. We are drier, a lot less humid. And because of that, highs stay below 90 and morning lows in the low to mid 60s.
All right. Thanks a lot, David. Now let's go.